Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to Shopify. So the first step is to simply click on add apps and then scroll down and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to have to search for Google reviews. And then the next step is to simply click on this one here from Reputon, then click on install, and then we're gonna get redirected to our dashboard, where you're gonna have to simply click on install again, of course. And now we need to set up the app, which is pretty easy to do. So let's see. So as you can see, we're gonna have to add our Google business. Then after that, you're gonna have to add your widget, and you can customize your widget. And basically after that, you're gonna be able to install this automate if you want automated reviews requests. So basically every time they add a Google review, this will appear on your Shopify store. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.